All right, now let's find an equation of a line in the slope-intercept form using two data points. So I'm going to do this slightly different than the way your book describes, but it's essentially the exact same thing, and I think it's a little more straightforward based upon the things that we've already learned. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I always look for the slope first. That's the strategy. Always find the slope first. So remember the slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Hopefully you're having nightmares about the slope formula. Just saying it over and over again. All right, so remember point 1, point 2, x, y. So we got our y2 value, which is a 2, minus our y1 value, which is negative 3. Then we have our x2 value, which is 6, minus our x1 value, which is 5. So 2 minus negative 3, remember that's the same as adding, so it would be 5 over 6 minus 5 is 1. So we have a slope of 5. So we're going to plug in what we know. We know that y equals 5x plus b. We still need the b value. So we're going to plug a point in. So let's plug the second point in because it's nice and convenient. When x is a 6, y is a 2. So we have 2 equals 5 times 6 plus b. So 5 times 6 is 30. Subtract 30, b equals negative 28. So our equation is y equals 5x, x minus 28. Now we need to check to see if it's true. So if I plug in a 5 for x, I better get a negative 3 for y. So let's see if that's true. Y equals 5. So I'm using the other data point, times 5 to check my answer. So y equals 25 minus 28, which is, in fact, negative 3. So it works.